The Bitcoin price is walking on thin ice, and it could potentially be setting up for an absolutely huge move here over the next several days. So without any further ado, let's dive in and analyze what is going on, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that I pride myself on being the most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. So, ladies and gentlemen, this thing has been bearish. We've been falling off a cliff. At the time of recording, Bitcoin has dropped over 70% to the downside from all-time high to where it's at right now. Let's get this crypto. But these moon boys, for whatever reason, ladies and gentlemen, they like to chirp in the comments and cry, "This guy, he just doesn't understand Bitcoin." Hey, Stunad, don't you understand? I've been in Bitcoin since before you even knew what the word Bitcoin was. So quit your crying and let's get back to the charts. You can see right now that Bitcoin has dropped out of a bear flag pattern formation, which if you are subscribed to this channel, you would know I kept you up to date with all along the way. Because as you should know, the dawn struck gold. The dawn struck gold. The dawn struck gold. Ladies and gentlemen, I saw that we were possibly in a bear flag pattern formation. The dawn went short above 27,000. Shout out to my VIPs. You are looking at my VIP alert right there. Links to join are down below in the description. We saw the trapdoor give way for months and months and months on end. I said, ladies and gentlemen, if this trapdoor drops, we may go right down to 20,000. And what do you know? Whoopsies! The dawn struck gold again. So here we are in the current day. And what does this look like to you, ladies and gentlemen? To me, it looks like another potentially classic bear flag pattern formation. Bear pull down, followed by a bear flag, followed by another potential flag to the downside. Oh, let's get this crypto. The dawn is fired up. So now, ladies and gentlemen, if we take a measured move here, let's just drag it. Bear pull down. Clone it over for the Stunads in the back. If we drag it over to the possible breakdown point, you can see this does give us a target down towards 13,000, which is also in eerie confluence with our green box range here of massive historic price confluence dating all the way back to 2017. Oh, let's get this crypto. The dawn is fired up. So now, ladies and gentlemen, where do we stand right now? Okay. Everybody's wondering, well, that's great, Kirby. I see what you're saying from a macro, but what about the micro here? What's going on? Well, let's just take a look here. Let's flip on our Keltner channels indicator. For old time's sake, for all of my loyal subscribers that have been here day in and day out for months and years at this point. You know the one-day Keltner channel indicator that nobody else shows you, but the dawn shows you on a daily basis. Maybe, just maybe, this is the best Bitcoin indicator over the past year or so. We've been rejected at it once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. And what do you know, ladies and gentlemen? You just can't make this stuff up. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. We have now been rejected for the 11th time at the top of the Keltner channel band. Let's get this crypto. It's just unbelievable stuff here, right? I mean, the market is essentially telling you the same story that it's told you since back from November of 2021. That we are still in a bear market until proven otherwise, that Bitcoin is going to continue to struggle at the top of the one-day Keltner channel band. I always get asked about the Keltner channel settings. You can see here, it's just the Keltner channels indicator on tradingview.com. Default inputs, I've showed you them here on your screen. Ladies and gentlemen, very powerful indicator. It was extremely powerful on the ride up in 2021 as well. Just the opposite. Look, all of the trading action was in the top half of the band and used the bottom as support. I mean, it's literally night and day opposite. and then it switched. We had some turmoil, yada, yada, yada. But here in the bear market of late 2021 into 2022, it's the opposite. The trading, for the most part, has been in the bottom half of the band. And right now we're seeing still to this day that we're finding resistance at the top half of the band. Let's get this crypto. Simple stuff here, folks. If you're brand new, welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all, because this is the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Welcome to the channel. Let's get this crypto. So on my last stream, I was talking about how the people left in this market right now are just the scum of the earth. They're the gum on the bottom of the Don's shoe. And the reason for that, ladies and gentlemen, is because all of the smart money took profit up above 50,000. Okay, that's just plain and simple how it went. And right now, the majority of the people left in this market, at least those who are being vocal on social media, are in an extreme severe loss. They are absolutely wrecked. They want a Lambo. They're lucky to get a pork chop and a can of beans. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've pulled up this image on your screen here. This is called the sunk cost bias, and this is what all of these moon boys have, and this is why the space is how the space is right now. Okay, it's laid out a little bit weird, but just read it in chronological order from 1 to 7. Let's do this now. 1, avoiding pain over gain. 2, belief that quitting is for losers. Sheesh, ladies and gentlemen. 3, notion that admitting mistake hurts reputation. Sheesh, ladies and gentlemen. 4, past successes delude future investments. 5, at the effect of information bias. 6, emotional connection over a rational one. Sheesh, ladies and gentlemen. And 7, oh my God, 7, a false sense of hope. Let's get this crypto. I mean, if that doesn't hit these moon boys right between the eyes, then I don't know what will. But ladies and gentlemen, the reason that you see this vitriol response from the moon boys in this market right now, when all we've done here is be right for months and months on end, that this thing is going down and it's going down hard, but they respond, you, they point the finger, this guy. Yeah, this guy has been the one on the right side of the trade for months and months and months on end, while you've been on the wrong side getting wrecked, preaching that Michael Saylor is their Lord and Savior, and that the Bitcoin price can never go down again, Kirby. The institutions are in now. Wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. These circus clown degenerates, they couldn't tell a pumpkin pie from a clip-on tie. Let's get this crypto. Yet they have the audacity to come on here and tell the Don, who's been right for months and months and months on end, crushing this market like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. Let's get this crypto. Shout out to my VIPs. You can see my short from above 27,000 on your screen right now. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are not already in my VIP and you would like to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, strategy ideas, you name it, I post all of that exclusively for you in VIP. So while all of these moon boys continue to get wrecked and live a life of peril and squalor, if you'd like to follow the Don as he continues to grind for every Satoshi and dollar, let's get this crypto, then I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's go. And now if we just cool off for a bit here, ladies and gentlemen, I know the moon boys in the comments, why you gotta use those kids cheering, Kirby? Why you gotta blast the explosion when you say something cool? It's because I like to do it, Stunod, and I'll keep doing it for as long as I'd like to keep doing it. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. Now, here we are. We have a potential bear flag. I showed you the target earlier. But on the micro, the micro of micro, just understand, ladies and gentlemen, that we have a trend line here of last hope support on a micro level. For me, right at about 18,006. Okay, sure, we have the ultimate low here at about 17.7, but we're really playing with fire if we drop below 18.6. We got rejected at the one-day Keltner channel right at the top, where if you are subscribed to this channel, you would have known to be looking out for that in advance. Shout out to you all that were prepared. But right now, all eyes for the Don are on 18.6. And I'm looking for a potentially life-changing trade setup opportunity here for myself. I'm looking for my next trade setup idea to potentially crush this market and get this crypto. So understand, ladies and gentlemen, right now, this is a market where the wolves are eating the sheep. The sheep are getting sheared in this market. And in my opinion, they're going to continue to be sheared. And before I forget to show you this extra little tidbit that probably all the other YouTubers are going to start to show you now because it's too late. And the Don's been showing you this before it was too late. But let's go over to that now. The US dollar index, ladies and gentlemen, it's just on an unbelievable rip. Who else has been showing you this since all the way back down here below a 95? I don't know anyone. Because everyone was stuck in la la land while I said, ladies and gentlemen, if we see this W pattern play out on the US dollar index, we could see a rip to much higher levels. And if that does in fact occur, we could see Bitcoin fall into a devastating bear market. And what do you know, little Jimmy? Whoopsies! The Don struck gold again. And right now, folks, we are chugging along. If we go to the one-day time frame, my God, how many times do I have to tell you this, ladies and gentlemen? I pointed it out on this stream, if you are subscribed to this channel, that we had a potential bullish cup and handle pattern here on the DXY with a measured move up to, what do you know, 110. And right now we are about halfway there at a 108. I said if we break this trend line, the Bitcoin price could see rejection and plunge further down. This breakout was at about 22,000 BTC just a few days ago, and what do you know? Whoopsies, we fall on the Bitcoin price and we rise on the US dollar index. This chart, in my opinion, is still the end-all be-all for the Bitcoin market right now. Let's get this crypto. I'm fired up here today, ladies and gentlemen, and rightfully so. At the end of the day, Bitcoin's gonna be Bitcoin, and Moon Boys are going to be Moon Boys. I can't change that. And it's not worth focusing on what you can't control, okay? So what I can control is my ability to find trade setup ideas for myself to potentially crush this market and get this crypto. And right now, I feel like this market is walking on very thin ice. I absolutely crushed the move to the downside from above 27,000, going short where every other degenerate told you the bottom was in. The Don went short and struck gold again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking for my next potentially life-changing trade setup idea right here, right now. So if you are not already in my VIP and you see the urgency here with what's going on with the price right now as it's coiling up for a potentially explosive move, then ladies and gentlemen, seriously, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. That's where I'll be posting all of my real-time entry ideas, strategy ideas, potential take profit ideas, you name it. Okay? Right now, it's pins and needles in this market, ladies and gentlemen, and I've had my finger on the pulse of it all along the way. So, Moon Boys, public service announcement to you moon boys. If you want to keep berating the Don, you want to keep pointing your finger, wagging that finger at me, you, Don. Keep wagging it, degenerates. I'm going to continue to ski down the mountain on this trend as long as skiing down the mountain seems like the right thing to do. If/when we finally turn around and rocket back into a bull market, I'll look to put the backpack on, the mud boots, the trench coat, and I'll look to climb up that mountain with each and every one of you. But until that day arrives, right now it still seems to me like the momentum is downhill. And when the momentum is downhill, the Don's looking to ski down the mountain and short this bad boy all the way deep down into the crypto abyss. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see an example of how my VIP alerts look right there on your screen right now. I post a synopsis of what I'm looking for myself, right? In my trade setup idea, why I'm thinking this way. Then I continue to update you with real-time updates all along the way, like you see on the right side. Took profit, moved my stop loss, took profit. If you'd like to see all of my real-time alerts and trade setup ideas like that, then today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. So ladies and gentlemen, on that note, if you enjoyed here today, just leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate the thumbs up. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Tick the little bell and select all. Make sure you tick the bell and select all. It's very important. That will give you the notification next time I upload. Welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. So now, folks, on that note, I'm going to leave you there, okay? We're walking on thin ice. Moon boys, their heads are exploding right now because they only know one thing. They only know actually 4 letters, 1 word, and that is HODL. Maybe they know 1 more word, rather 3 letters, DCA, dollar cost average. No matter how far this thing continues to drop, in their mind, they're never wrong, right? Never wrong. Just HODL, dollar cost average. We could go down to 3,000. Nope, never been wrong. Dollar cost average, HODL, right? So for me, somebody that goes out on a limb and says that I think this thing's going down, shorting, profiting all the way down, every little green candle to the upside. These guys love to just come back to my channel and say, look, he's wrecked. We went up. The bottom might be in. And even if the bottom's not in, the price went up. So he's wrecked. Just shut your mouth, little Jimmy, and get wrecked in silence. Let's get this crypto. I've had enough of these sunk cost, bias degenerates, ladies and gentlemen. If you're the one looking to crush the market, well, salute to you, because that's exactly what I'm looking to do as well. And of course, I will keep you up to date in VIP with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, and potential take profit ideas. Let's get this crypto. And if you're a sycophantic moon boy degenerate, dollar cost average, Kirby, well, get wrecked, my friend. See you in the abyss. Let's get this crypto. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell/long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and/or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.